What I do, baby? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a wig install. This is the Sensational hair in the style Money Pete's Caramel. Got a little blonde in the front. This is a synthetic wig, and I am going to be trying to slay it for you guys. So they give you a little bit of lace front room so that you can try to melt it or whatever. So I'm just going to do what I can do. It is already pre-plucked and it comes with the baby hairs as well. I did not do any customizations to it. I just put it on my head. Right now, I'm just going to try to flatten out the roots using this She Is Bomb hair wax. And I'm going to flat comb it down, try to get it as flat as it can be so that it can look natural. And yeah, so I'll be back. So I'm going to try to slick back my edges using some Gots to Be glue. Honestly, I prefer Eco Styler Gel. I didn't like the way it made my edges feel. They were dry and crusty, but I usually see people do this, so that's why I tried it out. And I'm just gonna blow dry it for like 30 seconds on cool setting. And I'm gonna do that all over, and then we're gonna try to do this. I'm just gonna put a cap on. I didn't want to do the bald method because I knew I was gonna take this wig off the same day. So I tried it. I realized that it looked crazy when I slapped the wig on, so I ended up taking it off and just putting the wig on my hair because it looked more natural that way. So as you can see, you see how it looks, you can see it through the lace. So I took it off and I put it on my bare head, and you see how much like it looks very natural that way. So yeah, so now I'm just trying to get my ear tabs. I'm just gonna cut that off, and then we're gonna get into gluing it down. So I'm going in with the Gots to Be's glue free spray. I'm gonna try this method. I guess they call this like the glueless method. So I wanted to try this. I know it's not as intense as using the Gots to Be glue gel because I was gonna take this off the same day, so I didn't want it to be too secured. But yeah, I do like this method. The only thing is trying to get the excess spray off of your face without lifting up the lace. But anywho, I'm going to spray that down and then tie it down for like a good 10-15 minutes. And then once I'm done, well, while that's waiting, I'm gonna try to give myself layers. Honestly, I did not know what I was doing, so but I tried to make it look more layery in the front. It kind of did something, kind of didn't. I really didn't know what I was doing, but it made a difference and I liked it. So yeah. Once the melting process is done, I took it off, and now you see, oh my gosh, it looks so good. I was so shocked, like, oh my god, this really look natural. So now I'm just gonna try to cut off the lace. I struggled with this too as well, not gonna lie. I cut myself. I was trying to do a whole bunch of new stuff that I never tried, and I was just folding, but it's okay because we ended up making it look good. So as you can see, I try to cut off any excess lace, and then after that I took my Gots to Be spray and sprayed it down so that it can be more melted. And yeah, so just continue to watch. I was unable to get footage at the end, but this is how it turned out. I went and took some pictures. I was feeling myself. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big fat juicy thumbs up, comment down below, spam the comments, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.